As a quantity surveyor, you've honed a unique set of skills, from cost management and negotiation to risk assessment and project planning. But what happens if you're ready to move beyond the world of quantity surveying? Whether you're seeking a fresh challenge or looking to leverage your expertise in a new way, there are several exciting career paths to consider. First off, we have project management. Project management is a career path that leverages many of the skills developed in quantity surveying. With your experience in overseeing budgets, schedules, and stakeholder coordination, you're already familiar with many of the responsibilities a project manager faces. The added benefit is that you can focus on the bigger picture, managing entire projects rather than just the cost aspects. Certifications like Prince 2 or PMP can enhance your credibility and help you secure roles in this area. Contract management. Contracts are at the heart of quantity surveying, making contract management a logical next step. In this role, you'd be responsible for drafting, reviewing, and enforcing contracts to ensure compliance and minimize risk. Your knowledge of construction law and contractual obligations position you well for this transition, especially if you work closely with NEC, JCT, or FIDIC contracts. Dispute resolution and claims consultancy. Disputes are common in construction projects, and your expertise in contractual terms and cost analysis can make you an asset in dispute resolution. As a claims consultant, you'd help resolve disagreements between parties, perhaps acting as a mediator or adjudicator. Additional qualifications such as becoming a chartered arbitrator can be invaluable in this line of work. Real estate development. If you're looking to stay within the property and construction industry, but with a more entrepreneurial focus, real estate development might be the perfect fit. Quantity surveyors often have an in-depth understanding of the development process. From feasibility studies to cost forecasting, this knowledge can be a significant advantage if you decide to venture into property investment or development. Procurement Specialist. Procurement specialists are responsible for sourcing and purchasing materials, equipment, and services for projects. Given your experience with tendering and supplier management, you already have many of the skills required to excel in this role. This career path is especially appealing if you enjoy building relationships with suppliers or negotiating contracts. Teaching and training. If you have a passion for sharing knowledge, transitioning into teaching or training could be a fulfilling option. With the demand for skilled professionals in quantity surveying construction, you could teach at a university, deliver corporate training, or even create your own online courses. Speaking of teaching and training, perhaps you're interested in being taught or trained. Metroun Learning can help. With a vast array of courses, mini-tests, and certificates, you can level up your QS knowledge while satisfying all of your formal CPD requirements. Visit metroun.co.uk or follow the link in the description to sign up. Commercial management. Commercial management focuses on the financial and operational performance of projects or businesses. As a quantity surveyor, your ability to manage costs, analyze financial data, and oversee budgets makes you an excellent fit for this role. Commercial managers often liaise with the senior stakeholders to ensure profitability and efficiency, making it a dynamic and rewarding career path. Finally, we have entrepreneurship. Many quantity surveyors find success as entrepreneurs, whether it's starting your own consultancy, creating a niche service within the construction industry, or venturing into an entirely different sector. Your skills in planning, risk assessment, and leadership will serve you well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.